got a shell down Barclays.
That is it.
Thousands of fans turn out at the Barclays Center with a seating capacity of 19,000 at Kartel's sold-out show in the heart of Brooklyn, New York. Links 007 TV entertainment update was on hand, and we have some highlights of that show to come. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Entertainment Update. This has been described as one of Vybz Kartel's most epic performances since his return from prison, unlike the one in Jamaica. Vybz Kartel graced the Barclays stage in Brooklyn, New York to thousands of fans that were elated to actually saw him for the first time. With a seating capacity of 19,000, Vybz Kartel delivered one of the most epic performances in his entire career. With a nearly sold-out show at Freedom Street in Kingston, Jamaica, Vybz Kartel is now in the United States, wowing his fans with his tremendous hits. Links 007 TV now gonna take you over to the stage for that to come.
Let me call you. Yo, pull my cologne, man. Pull my cologne. Yo, what's yellow and blue? What's blue to cologne? Yo, what I know about Image?
Image is everything.
First it's nothing, we've been around them. Good. What's blue and yellow?
Yo, the man smell like a bottle of perfume.
Man, stop man.
Yeah.
Come on. Yeah, what is that? Good. The queen is here. The queen is here.
Where's that, baby?
Yes, the queen is here.
Last year.
Long Yo, no one them about Image, man. Tell you now. Yo, big up my crew, you know. Big up the crew. Mama, you look so good, man. No price, but you not look so good. Jesus Christ, man. Noah. Yeah, the queen is here. Run the man. Run there. The Gaza government, the Gaza general. Let's get ready to rumble! Come on! No, you're ready. Life is so rough sometimes. God, I'm glad you hear me cry. Let it out, the general. Cry, go on, yeah, the Lord is around us. And the blessings surround us. I may not care who like me, because I want to show love. God, the Lord is around us, and the blessings surround us. I may not care who like me, because I want to show love. Oh, variation fair. General, crazy one cry. Love your youth, love your youth, love your youth. Christ your strength, like my own. Declare one cartel. Put up. Run it back. Barclays, thank you for bearing with me. That's why I'm loving you so much. You know my phone. One shot. Put your motherfucking hands up. Y'all in a bikini. Everybody got a red club. In a the pool party. Like a scene from a movie. Starring the one of Brooklyn. My time. Am I? When you the life on. Then when you got the light down, treat it like a light bulb. On and on. Then when you do you, that's so cool. You go out of your way for dirty. And you go out of your way for dirty. We keep going round in a circle. Now this a yard, this a searching. You're too naive, you're too jealous. You're so cross, you're so fed up. A long time you want to cut. You want to steal, you want it. See ya. No. I'm telling you something. Love me when I love. But you don't love people you can move on to. You understand what I mean? So watch this. That's what I mean. And show them we're moving on look like. Look, see that? Yeah. Your mother said you're not fitting the clothes. Cause she know you're there with the cars. Tell them mother say you cover door. When they throw up on the road, come bring up a cover door. You want to why you from a color code. We think shine like the color. Look at all these women. Yeah, you expose me, I see that. You see that. Pull up. That's it. Kiss me, baby.
Kiss me, baby. Oh.
You alright? We'll be later. Kiss me later, baby. Yeah. Got your lipstick all over me? Brush me, baby. Go on, your bumper get big from here, man.
Back on that.
It's living flat body.
Hey.
Baby, why not? Baby, why not? Baby, broken down. Don't put it on the phone. I am alone. See the one that is passing up your phone. You don't see what is in a picture of your phone. Couple of things that you don't get to know. If you want it, you live with that stone. If you go see the flash of your black hole, you think that the arrest, la la la. Now go think that you're pretty, you go see where you're going. Mama said that you're not even kidding on it. She can't say you can't come with my way.
Wind up, baby. Wind up. Yo.
Let me tell you something. You see you, your pussy make me have to go. You do them, you do that's what you for when you see it. Remember, I bet you say you don't see it. Say that would be your absolute defense. You feel me?
Think of that.
Pussy boys are wild like a coke. I don't wanna be to big jazz you a coke. A bad man and one day a fuck. When me Monday.
This man from 90s, so come in if you do what I love like this. We are promoting your life like 17. You last months people need like with the list. What this man from 50s and 40s? Jump, put your fist and just fucking them up. And the anthem, not the national. But we need the irrational. This man from 90s, so come in if you do what I love like this. Fuck up like this, we're promoting your life. Chance I will shot you. You will not want to go with like. But I'm young person like Levi Series. So the United you tell me see now ladies, I'm Brooklyn with the same. So we don't cap, we don't cap. The cool, what I'm dealing with short away. Yeah, I'm not capping. So I don't want to feel disrespected. I'm going to come for one of my best. But I tell you the climate beat me a fun. So that's right. Look, Brooklyn girls, your pussy running like love it, like your pussy come like bird. I'm out of the yard, some great sex. I'm about to know like sleepless. Never afraid of the distance. You want me to fuck us? Oh, I gotta go with you. And I'll be love you like bro. You never mess with me. Gotta go with you. And I'll be love you like bro. You never mess with me. Gotta go with you. And I'll be love you like bro. You never mess with me. You hear me? Squeeze up your body. This is your last man. If your heart look already be your first year kid. Come in on me house, that I work place this week. Sing with the please. Look. And I'm in love with you like what? The others go. And I'm in love with your lifetime. Never just get on from the fuck you. Nothing really bigger than we do. I should say you love me. What a blood clot pussy for you. You're going to clean already. So you won't have a coming on your bed. I love you. Look. Wine on your body, girl. Wine on your body, girl. Feel the crowd behind you. You alone the body, girl. Because you know. When we are from, so we like colonize. Decolonize. Pull up. There you go. Then Vybz Kartel and friends. They have a special guest for Carlo. Hey, Bumbo Clark. Well, I know. What's up, baby?
Yo, we good as fuck. Bus.
Alright, cool. This seems like the appropriate time. It does. For me to show you motherfuckers how to keep the dice rolling when you're doing that thing over there. Let's go! with the pop it. Won't let you in the find me. When I'm looking good to the cocky. You ain't never gonna stop me. Every time I come in, I gotta set it, then I gotta go in, and I gotta get it, then I gotta blow, and I gotta try to get it, then I gotta get it, then I gotta get it, then I gotta get it. Everything and everything about it. Gotta do it. Give it to me, but then I always want it, and I gotta get it, and I get it, and I get it. Let me do it again, let me go up and go to the front, I got better call, let anybody know my sound, and I get it, and I pass what I come and do when there's enough. Bang in the east, bang in the west, when I give you more, never give you less. Do it in the shit that you can read it in the press, we really wanna know what's bad. Let's go. You know we gonna know we don't have innovation, you know we gotta go to jail and give it with the page, and we're talking about hustle and hustle, and then I get it, and then we gotta do it. Just repeat the time when it's going. Yo, me, the world boss, and Akon, we put out a new video yesterday. We got a new banger together. It's called Crazy. Can we do it for y'all, brother? You know what? Y'all stream that motherfucker when y'all leave. Yeah. World boss, I love you. Welcome home, King. Thank you. Take up on the center. Yo, people. Want a cheer? Want a cheer? I need a cheer. I want to see. What? I need a cheer. Right, that's it. Do you know why I'm sick French here? Really? I know. You know. I do. I want you to go a little cheer. And I said, that's not giving king and queen. It's giving poverty.
You upgrade the chair?
Yes.
You upgrade the chair?
I upgrade the chair the same way you upgrade your hair. like your outfit. It's giving royalty.
Your outfit is giving rich.
Thank you, lady.
Expensive.
Hold on.
A two chair. You know when Kartel was locked up, him called me. And him asked me a question.
Jano.
Him asked me, what my favorite sex position?
Oh my God, talk the business.
Never tell them.
Okay, go ahead.
But you're not locked up again. You're not there prison again. They didn't tell you about it, but now I'm going to show you.
She loves to talk to you. You are getting the song.
That wasn't good.
I tell you what, this dear buddy now.
Make me look up the foot. She loves to talk to you. Next price. Who must be money and load? Who must be money and load? Sit down.
Take one.
Hold on. Why is it that your feet get too near to my face?
Every time you go take off my shoes, you know.
Yes. Take it off.
Take off the boot.
What you mean?
We have time.
No, mama.
Let me take off the boot. Pull up. One talk to the people then.
Take off your shoes. I want to see this. Take off your shoes, guys. Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes, cause your pum pum no loose. Wait.
I was trying to keep it cute.
No, we go with
But you may one day see them.
No, she not see them, you know.
Oh,
Remember, I know. I Brooklyn, you know. Take time with the green shoes, sir. Thank you.
play a song there.
Put it over, can see it. What you say, mama? What you do? Let me close my legs. Bend over. She loves to talk to you. She like to give a shot of the phone up to you. Spice. Who must be body and blood? Who must be body and blood? Put it down to the phone. Break out your body and blood. Stab out your belly and blood. I love you, baby. I love you, baby. Oh, it's still catwalk. Oh my God. It's still...
Play the next track.
Play the next. We love you one more time. See them on the left there.
Don't drop it yet.
Hold on.
Play it again.
Please.
Go down and out.
but cocky. Your body come and make it. Be ready like her. Cock up and sit down on her. Yes, that's what it. Look. Your body come and make it. Look. Spice. Me not lie still. Never be honest. Can I tell you something? Look. Some boy don't know what he talk, say me a talk up. Me a tell you say me a make you walk up. Me a tell you say I'm a young understand. That is that. Me black cocky make you go sit down. Me a tell you say me a make you walk up. Mama, me a tell you say me a make you walk up. You don't know the power. It's giving children. Hold on, I did it.
Strong them. I want to hear about. I want to hear about. I want to hear about.
Get up and say. Family, can we go? Alright, sir. What my phone there? What do you feel this? After two, yeah. I want to say, Mom, big up, suck your mother. 1, 2. Now I got a new song. Make sure when you come out of here, you buy it on iTunes for $1.20. Come on, wake up and see it all the way up on the chart in America. Because sometimes you gotta remind some of these bitches who the fucking legends are. You are exactly who you think you are. Now the song is called 11. And I want to teach you the chorus. I want you to say, stay mad, stay mad. Stay mad, stay mad. You mad? Find Jim Screechy. That's song there from 2006. Oh, some people know that we are bomber clock legend in this. Big up the king of dancer. He's up in the real gangster. Wanna know that song, yeah? Oh, my God. Wanna know that bomber clock song? You wanna know that quick? Sing.
Me too.
Hold the tiger. Nobody not to know between me and you. Don't let me name of them see you. Jim Screechy, you make me. Don't tell nobody come me man for you. Me know you're gonna love off the fuck of the gear. Beat me run at it. Jump the back fence, come in neighbor. You're gonna make a fly like the bird and it. Barclays, sing no one, yeah. You never know what's so spice, but he brand the war for karma, feel like a dog. Yo, drop one king. Play already. I want to say something to Spice. Drop already. Let's say something to the Queen. No, not that.
Him next time. I love you too.
Ask your question.
The Vybz Kartel!
Really, nigga?
One king. I love you too, bestie.
Hold on, finally. Let me do a cappella. Fresh from prison. A brand new king is risen. Colder than kings of ice. USA's finest return like the prodigal son. Unpredictable like dice. Intelligence and espionage. Bombs in the cars, in the garage. Bitches and body massage. World-class killers in presidential entourage. We don't care, take it to them anytime, anyhow, anywhere. Nationally, internationally, hemisphere by hemisphere. All is fear in love and in warfare. Am I my brother's keeper? Not no, not here. Brooklyn, this is how we get done. Doggy dog, puppy get look. We don't care who you nice. Spice, oh you do that wine, yeah. We love it when you wind up your line, yeah. We ready to go to 30 years in a jail and don't say nothing new is a crime, baby. Why not say you know say me love you? Me nah put no girl above you. You alone is the TikTok on your torso. Nice. Fling it over the sun and you bring it grass up. Me nah put no girl above you. You alone is the TikTok on your torso. Precisely, Spice of the wife. Me every part of your body lively. Me have a fan but a crazy you drive me. The king that king more you need timely. Spice, you are the sponge in your wine. Take you to the ramping shopping at the night. You know where the sun will find me. From the body, then I will let you a glass. That's your that. That's your that. Hey, mama. Hey, see there.
You don't see them.
Yo, mama don't know what about. Big up mama there. Mama, give them one number. I know you're tired.
Bring the king jacket.
Yes.
Somebody bring my king jacket, come quickly. Swiftly.
Swiftly.
You couldn't even talk if you didn't cheat.
They not
makeup
cheat.
is all over your clothes.
They not cheat.
Bring the jacket, come I don't want them see you perform and video this like a t-shirt dirty.
Jamaican
Bring
men
the
don't
king jacket there.
cheat. Jamaican men don't cheat. Jamaican man don't cheat. Hold on. Spice. Spice, you just strip it down and who fuck are you gone? You're Jesus. Just I love you too. I love her more. Zip it up. Slow motion.
That looks like something.
You want to try with emotion. This time when you give me spoon no lotion, let the wave them a rise up in the ocean. You know we respect for you give me the close one. And I got a look and let me love it so strong. They want buy a ring with a 30,000. And you feel the wife, you feel the husband. Hey, baby, love the way you whine. You put a smile on the face, yeah, girl. Come on, come me, but you embrace, yeah, girl. Below for the one up your waist, yeah, girl. Do you see me now, but let you go? I tell them on your case, yeah, girl. Come on, come me, but you embrace, yeah, girl. You know for the look. You listen me? That's good. Just throw it, brace up like sweethearts do. As me know you want me and me want you. And the way you hold me tight there for brace past you. And you alone listen me no say 3 9 2. Cause me know you will do anything when me ask you. So come on me and come have me faith.
Me not do that.
Why? Why you love you? See it, yeah? Kiss me, baby. You see you? You're trouble. Where are you from now?